It was a pleasure to work with Emmanuel Baptist Church on the Gospel Advance Project. What we're taking a look at today with this study is being able to move from being an attractional church where people just, you assume that they're going to come, but intentionally begin making disciples that can really make a change in Fayette County. How do you move from being attractional to missional? What does it take to be evangelistic and bathe all of that in prayer? I believe that for Emmanuel Baptist Church to have evangelism as a priority requires that it's integrated into everything that it does. And I believe that it is solid, biblically based, and it is something that every church should be concerned about. Emmanuel Baptist Church is sitting in Fayette County, but 20% of its members don't have a Fayette County address. Its members are faithful in Sunday school. We did a survey in the Sunday school and found out that like 90% of all the members attending Sunday school felt very comfortable sharing their faith. They just don't. When you have 2,200 in worship, about 10,000 on the campus during the week, but yet between 50 to 70 baptisms a year, that usually reflects that you're getting other believers coming in that are already born again, already saved. Emmanuel is a wildly successful attractional model, but how does it really begin to fulfill the Great Commission and make a difference in Fayette County? When you take a look at lostness in Fayette County, there are over 212,000 that are not evangelical people. The other thing about it is there are 141,300 that don't belong to any faith group, not the Mormons, not the Methodists, not the Moonies, nobody. And what do we do about 141,300? When you take a look at Emmanuel, there are tremendous opportunities for the church members to move forward and to see people come to faith in Christ. I believe that Emmanuel should be really focused upon what it takes not only to win the lost, but help them to make disciples who can keep making disciples.